Which of the given statement is incorrect about the chromosomal rearrangements? A comparison of the number of rearrangements in a given period of evolutionary history may vary significantly from one organism to the next. B. If gene A has a neighboring gene B, then if an ortholog of A occurs in another genome, there is an increased probability of an ortholog of B also occurring in the other organism. C. If gene A has a neighboring gene B, then if an ortholog of A occurs in another genome, the B ortholog is more likely to be a neighbor of the A ortholog of the genome of the second species if the two species are more divergent. D. In general, the order of orthologs is not well conserved in prokaryotes when the genomes have diverged sufficiently that the orthologs have 50 identity. The correct answer is, if gene A has a neighboring gene B, then if an ortholog of A occurs in another genome, the B ortholog is more likely to be a neighbor of the A ortholog of the genome of the second species. Two species that have recently diverged from a common ancestor might be expected to have a set of genes and chromosomes with these genes positioned along the chromosomes in the same order. A. Distinct similar. B. Similar distinct. C. Similar dissimilar. D. Similar similar. The correct answer is similar similar. Which of the given statement is incorrect? A. In a given organism or species, genes are found in a given order that is maintained on the chromosomes from one generation to the next. B. Genes with a related function are frequently found to be distorted on a chromosome. C. A possibility is that there is genetic variation alleles within each gene in a cluster of a given species and that only certain allelic combinations of different genes are compatible. D. Clustering of related genes presumably provides an evolutionary advantage to a species. The correct answer is, genes with a related function are frequently found to be distorted on a chromosome. Which of the given statement is incorrect regarding MAGPIE? A. It analyzes the genome using a set of automated processes. B. It is designed for high-throughput genome sequence analysis. C. It is unable to locate potential promoters. D. It automatically annotates genomic sequence data and maintains a daily up-to-date record in response to user queries about one or more genomes. The correct answer is, it is unable to locate potential promoters. The designation ECa.b.c.d conveys information. Which of the following is not one of it? A. One of 12 main classes of biochemical reactions. B. The group of substrate molecule. C. The nature of chemical bond that is involved in the reaction. D. Designation for acceptor molecules cofactors. The correct answer is, one of 12 main classes of biochemical reactions. Which of the given statement is incorrect about the observations made with regard to gene order? A. Order is highly conserved in closely related species. B. Order in closely related species becomes changed by rearrangements over evolutionary time. C. As more and more rearrangements occur, there will no longer be any correspondence in the order of orthologous genes on the chromosome of one organism with that of a second organism. D. Order is less conserved in closely related species. The correct answer is, order is less conserved in closely related species. An approach to classification of genes that encode enzymes is to examine relationships among multiple enzymes that perform the same biochemical function in the same organism. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. GeneQuiz focuses on deriving a predicted protein function based on a variety of available evidence, including the evaluation of the similarity to the closest homolog in a database. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Other functional classification schemes for genes include a broader category for genes involved in the same biological process, e.g. a three-group scheme for energy-related, information-related, and communication-related genes has also been used. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true.